Hi there and welcome to the video. So as you can see here, I'm in Topaz Gigapixel version 8 and I'm looking at this image here. This is an AI generated image. We've got the before on the left hand side and the after on the right hand side. Now at the moment I've just got it set to a 2x upscale and I haven't really played around with any of these settings. In fact, I'm just going to put every setting back to 0 for the default. Right, so the original image size is 848 by 1264 and the new upscaled image size is 1696 by 2528. So what I'm going to do here is start off by going to the model section and let's see what I can do in terms of choosing an appropriate model for this image. Now the way I'd like to do this is to do an A/B test on this particular one, because a photographic image like this, even though it's not an actual photo, it tends to do better with either standard or high fidelity, and so I'm going to just choose those two. And now the view has temporarily changed to the standard version on the left and the high fidelity model on the right. So it really is a case now of me just looking at the details and seeing if I prefer how one of them renders the small fine details, mostly things like fur and skin pores in human portraits and things. Now high fidelity, I mean they're very, very close. You probably can't see the difference on YouTube because of the compression on the YouTube videos, but I'm actually going to go with standard on this because some of the texture of the snow on top of the fur here, it just looks a little bit strangely blotchy on the high fidelity one. So I'll click on the standard V2 and click apply, and that updates my preview. Now, so I've still got before and after going on here, but I'm just going to click that button and go to a main full screen preview that will then go to the before when I hold my mouse button down. When I let go, it updates. So standard model, we're fine with that. And the settings here, it looks pretty sharp to me. It's sharp straight out of the box, and this was generated with FLUX dev model, so nice and sharp, good quality. So maybe just a tiny little bit of extra sharpening in here, and I would probably call it a day.